Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to check your CPU temperature on a Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. This is a quick and easy method, and it's especially useful if you play games, use heavy applications, or just want to keep an eye on your system's performance and health. To begin, there are two free tools you can use to monitor your CPU temperature: MSI Afterburner and Core Temp. If you're a gamer, you may already have MSI Afterburner installed, since it's commonly used for performance monitoring. Core Temp is another lightweight and easy-to-use program that focuses mainly on showing your CPU temperature. Once you open Core Temp, you'll immediately see your CPU temperature displayed in Celsius. For example, a temperature around 50 degrees Celsius is considered normal when your system is under light to moderate load. If you prefer using MSI Afterburner, open the program and click on the Settings icon. From there, go to the Monitoring tab and scroll down until you find the CPU temperature option. Enable it, then check the options to show it in the on-screen display and in the system tray. You can also enable GPU temperature if you want to monitor both at the same time. After applying the changes, click the small arrow near the clock to open the system tray, where you'll see your CPU and GPU temperatures updating in real time. If you don't already have these tools installed, you can easily download them. Simply open your browser and search for MSI Afterburner, then download it from the official MSI website. For Core Temp, search for it online and download it from the official ALCPU website. After installing and opening either program, you'll be able to monitor your CPU temperature instantly. MSI Afterburner is especially useful for gamers because it displays CPU and GPU temperatures, usage stats, and even allows you to adjust fan speeds or enable on-screen monitoring while gaming. Core Temp, on the other hand, is perfect if you just want a simple, clean view of your CPU temperature without extra features. And that's it. That's how you can easily check your CPU temperature on a Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. If you found this video helpful, feel free to leave a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.